If you don't have any trust badges on your Shopify store's product page, then you're leaving money on the table. Having trust badges will increase trust among visitors and ultimately increase your conversion rate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add them without code, so anyone can do this. The trust icons are going to be added through the theme editor. Go to the product page, add block, icon with text. This is going to add 3 icons with text, which we can change. I'm actually going to keep the second and third icon. I'm only changing the first one. Let's go with a plant. So I have plant, return, and truck. Now I just want to change the text. First heading is going to be vegan friendly. The second one could be free returns. And the third one is going to be free shipping. Looks pretty good, but if you would like to add your own icons, then by all means go ahead. You just need to select image and then upload the icon from your computer. This is good enough for me. I'm going to save and see what it looks like. So here are the icons. If you want to check the mobile version, then simply right-click anywhere on the page and inspect. Toggle device toolbar. And this is what it looks like on mobile devices. Looks very much the same. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, then leave a comment. I'm a freelance Shopify developer, so if you need help with your Shopify store, then join my Facebook group and make a post or message me directly. I'll get back to you as soon as possible with a quote. I'm hoping to create a space where people can actually get help and guidance. It's not going to be one of those spammy groups that is filled with random garbage. So definitely join the Facebook group. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.